Welcome to MIG. Today I will be showing you how to perform a permanent regrowth service for grey coverage. Firstly, prepare your client for a colour service. This can be done by applying a towel around the shoulders and a waterproof gown over the top. Barrier cream or oil can be applied to the client's hairline to prevent staining. I'm using a cotton bud to apply for more of a precise application. For my skin and clothing, I'm covering myself with an apron and gloves. Mix colour product with peroxide. To ensure both products are mixed, I'm using a whisk. This makes sure that everything is creamy and has a good consistency. Comb the hair free from knots to make sectioning easier, and now you're ready to start your application. Before you start your application, I section the hair into 4 quadrants and secure with clips to make it nice and neat. Higher percentage of grey hair is usually found around the front of the head, so I will be starting my application there today. This will give the grey hair longer to process and ensure full coverage. Please note my body position. I am standing this way only for the purpose of the video. Please stand where you feel comfortable and can easily see what you are doing. Be careful when dealing with fine hair. It can easily go darker, especially around the front hairline. If you are faced with this scenario, leave the front hairline application until later on. When applying colour around the front hairline, I'm careful not to get colour on the face. Once the front hairline is covered, start applying down the middle, just being careful to only get colour on the regrowth, which is around a 2 centimetre wide area. Then apply the colour down the side sections from ear to ear and create and define your 4 quadrants. The colour I have used today is a permanent colour. Permanent colour will give full grey coverage. I have colour matched to my model's hair to a level 6 dark blonde. The colour I have used today is a 6 level natural. This will give me 100% grey coverage, and I've added a 6 level chocolate reflect to give me richness to my colour. I have mixed in equal parts of peroxide as directed by manufacturer's instructions. Starting at the front quadrant, I start applying the colour in a cobweb pattern and working down the head, just applying to the regrowth area, making sure each section is fine so the colour penetrates through. I paint the colour on both sides of each section for an even coverage. Once I have finished one side, I then move on to the other front section. Permanent colours are mixed with a range of different strength peroxide and are both capable of lightening natural hair and depositing artificial colour, as well as covering grey hair. But remember, permanent colour will not lighten artificial colour. Colour on colour goes darker. Once you have finished the front two quadrants, the last two back sections can be applied, still working from the top to the bottom in a cobweb pattern. The term permanent colour means the hair is coloured permanently, due to the fact that the colour molecule becomes trapped inside the cortex, which is the middle of the hair shaft. When applying colour to the bottom hairline, ensure you get all of the baby hairs. I turn my brush on the side and use a flicking motion, and then I continue this on the other side. Once you have applied the colour to all areas of the regrowth, I like to go back over and double check my application and ensure all hair is coloured, especially the front hairline, as this is the most visible. Once you've completed your application, process the colour as per manufacturer's instructions and follow rinsing procedures. I'm blow drying my model's hair as she has desired. That concludes permanent colour. Thanks for watching.